a strong closing at the Nigerian stock market today after a tense trading session as the all-share index recovered from its 0.14% decline yesterday to a huge increase of 0.95% today. And the market capitalization was 11.946 trillion naira. Now, this might seem a bit insignificant until you consider the magnitude. The amount of increase this was. This figure right here is 113 billion naira, up from the market cap yesterday. Now, shareholders bought more stocks from the banking and consumer goods sector, and Dangote Cement was top on the list of gainers. Now, this is not a surprise, as the company yesterday unveiled a new brand of cement that they say is the best for construction and would actually go a long way in limiting collapse of buildings in Nigeria. And Aliko Dangote, chairman of the Dangote Group, yesterday released $275 million for the construction of a new cement plant and a 100 megawatt coal power plant in Nigeria, and that's to bring down the price of cement. Let's take a look now at the top losers. We see that Seplat, Better Glass, Julius Berger, and Flour Mills of Nigeria PLC all lost, losing at 1.59%, 10.00%, minus 9.83% and minus 2.83% today. Taking a look at the top traders now, we see that Guaranty Trust Bank and Fidelity Bank are actually top traders for the second time this week. And even though Sun Assurance is actually the highest traded shares today, starting at over 500 million shares, we see that Guaranty Trust Bank made the most in terms of value, and that's at 1.534 billion naira. Taking a look at the market summary today, we see that the volume of shares traded today is at 662.021 million shares, and this is at a value of 5.312 billion naira, and it's all in a total of 3.025 deals. Let's see what the stock market has for us today. We see that the bulls is actually dominating the Financial Times and Stock Exchange today again, as the climb moved actually 0.5% higher to close at 0.43%. The Dow Jones over here continued its recovery from the sell-offs from last week and also moved up from its 0.17% decline yesterday to a 1.39% increase in the all-share index today. Now, stock prices rose sharply on Tuesday today after the release of good and strong quarterly results from some of the largest companies in the US, and that's including Netflix. But let's see, how is it doing in Asia? Stocks in Japan also bounced back as bargain hunters renewed buying, and the all-share index actually increased to 1.25%.